Today, I'm going to learn you some Espanol, or as I like to call it, Mexican. Whenever you're in a bar and you want to impress a Mexican senorita, you might just walk up to her and just be like, "Hey, ¿dónde está el baño, muchacha?" She might ask you why by saying, "¿Por qué?" And that's when I reply, "Yo como caca con queso y cebollas." I like to leave them in confusion rather than contempt. You can even step it up a notch. You just look at him and be like, "Tú tienes unos ojos bonitos, amiga. ¿Cuándo te vas a casar conmigo? Yo estoy orinado con tu cabeza." I was in a Mexican restaurant the other day and this little senorita was waiting on me. I said, "Hola." She said, "Hola, ¿cómo estás?" I said, "Bien, motherfucker." And then I asked her, "¿Tú quieres mi meco a la tu lengua?" "Well, how do you?" "Yo no necesito tus complicaciones. Porque yo lo sé todo." Bitch, I'll smack you in the face with an American flag. Hazme un favor. Pélame la verga. ¿No te gusta pélame la verga? Juélame la verga. Y yo no tengo sida. All you gotta do is look at her and be like, "Yo como tu papaya, está por la mañana." ¿Por qué? Yo no tengo carro, soy borracho. So muchachos, that's about it. But I told you I could teach you